video is going to be for dividing by powers of 10, which means that the dividend and the divisor are going to have zeros in them. So this is just a trick that helps to make it more clear whenever you're dividing by zeros. Okay, so sometimes we have a problem that looks like this, 900 divided by 10, and the trick is, this is the divisor, the number that we are dividing by. You cross off as many zeros as you have. In this case, we have 1. You match that in the dividend. Then rewrite the problem. So now you have 90 divided by 1. Anytime that we divide by 1, it's the other number. The answer is the other number. So in this case, 900 divided by 10 transfers into 90 divided by 1, which is 90. Sometimes we're a little bit more complicated and we don't divide by 1. So let me show you an example of that. 360 divided by 90. So in this case, we're going to do the zeros again. I have 1 here, so I can take that 1 off over here. Then we have 36 divided by 9. 9 goes into 36 4 times. So 360 divided by 90 equals 4. Let me show you a bigger number. Let's say that we have 4,800 divided by 60. Okay, again, you cross off the zeros in the divisor, match them in the dividend. We only crossed off 1, so rewrite the problem. 480 divided by 6. Okay, this one gets a little trickier. We have a 0 here. For right now, we're going to forget about it. So we're going to do 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. We had an extra 0, so we just tack it on to the end. So the answer is 80. 4,800 divided by 60 equals 80. Let's try another one that's tricky like that. 8,100 divided by 90. The divisor has 1 0, so we're going to cross off 1 0 in the dividend. Rewrite the problem that you have. Okay, we have an extra 0, so I know that it's going to go on to my answer. I'm going to tack it onto my answer. But for right now, we're just going to divide 81 divided by 9, and that equals 9. So my answer is 9 with the extra 0 tacked on. My answer to 8,100 divided by 90 equals 90. Now students, you can check your answer too. We could do 90, our answer, times, instead of dividing, times 90. So anytime that we multiply by 0, we have a 0 and a 0. Now we're going to start dividing by 9, or multiplying by 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 9 is 81. If we add this all up, we get the correct answer.